What's up, YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. Yes, that's right. Individual went from 603 on their credit score to 730. I just got this comment in a few hours ago. It says, it works. It does work. My wife was struggling with a 603 credit score, and after the first round of letters, it shot up to 730. Thank you, Brandon. And it's got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 exclamation points. A lot of exclamation points on that. Thank you, Brandon. Well, thank you for getting the product. Thank you for watching. Now, thank you for hitting that subscribe try button. That's like 127 point boost to this credit. They got a lot of deletions in the very first round, okay? You may get some results right in the very beginning, all the way through towards the end. Everybody's credit is a little bit different, but you could be next. You could get some results, get some negative items off of a few credit, a couple of credit bureaus. Then you're gonna have to send it in and show them that they got these negative items off of these bureaus. We've seen that before. We've seen individuals get a bunch of stuff off in the first round like this, husband and wife, okay? So this is fantastic, fantastic. You could be next. 609creditrepair.com. We can do the work for you. TheAwesomeLifeGroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe try button. I appreciate you. Now, and another individual said, hey, look, that's ridiculous. I've got an apartment complex on my credit reports that I didn't even live at. Was never a part of it. Not on it. Not in it. Okay, but somehow this is on my credit reports. Okay, now what can I do? And this is why we say clean up that personal profile information. That's why that's some of the first letters we send at the Awesome Life Group. Okay, we clean up that personal profile. We clean up all these old, negative, nasty, erroneous, unverified, and addresses that may not even be yours. The addresses, the personal information, the names, and get it all squared away. Because you wind up with errors and junk and erroneous and unverified stuff like this apartment complex. It's a collection, maybe even eviction, on this person's report, and it's not even theirs that they stated. They were never there, never a part of it, not on the lease, nothing. Okay, now all of a sudden it's on the credit reports. You dispute this negative, nasty, erroneous stuff with the bureaus, with the collectors. You can file your complaints. You can do everything you got to do, and we've got everything for you at 609creditrepair.com. You can get that Beyond Committed package, or we can do the work for you at TheAwesomeLifeGroup.com. All right, please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe try button, and until I see you in person, I'll see you on the other side. Take care.